Here's the electrical compartment for a 1983 Monarch EE. Now this was the last module drive machine made by the factory. It was made in December 1983. All the machines after this were an electronic drive with no vacuum tubes. Now this is the latest version. It first came out in 1960, and it was pretty much the same, except for they had an old-time kind of an open Cutler hammer switches, and they're slow operating. In about 1978, maybe, they went with the square D NEMA size O switches. This is the forward switch, this is the reverse switch. This here is the main switch for the juice coming in from the power contactor. And over here is the coolant pump switch. This device here is the quick slowdown relay or device. And this is an important improvement that they made in the late 70s right here. It replaced a large coil that was mounted down here. That was, they're a bit troublesome. But anyway, what happened is from competition of other machines coming in, import machines like Schablin and Wheeler, Monarch spared no expense making the best machine possible, and they had the ultimate customer with the U.S. government. Okay, this is what I'd call a hot rod version, and this is a very desirable machine. Everything works really fast with these switches, and has these relays here for anti-plug-in and acceleration and so forth. But what they did is they made this absolutely reliable, as far as I can tell on these later machines. Earlier machines with a large coil, quick slowdown, and a little more troublesome here. But I had a little hiccup with the machine. I checked the switches. All this stuff's perfect. But I guess this video and the other ones I'll make are more valuable to someone that's willing to spend the money for something like this. So we'll move on over here to the vacuum tubes and the module over to the left. And that controls all this stuff. The module is a semi-solid state thing, and they call it the brain, and it actuates these relays, this one too, this gizmo here, and makes the lathe do the functions that I'll show you what it's supposed to do later on. So stay tuned.